What's up, crypto community? It's your man, Mr. Solution. I must confess, I've missed you guys. I've missed doing this. It's been a crazy busy week for me, month so to say, because it's been long. I came on this channel. It's been long. I updated my YouTube channel, and from my time check, it's 7:18 a.m. That's 18 minutes after 7 o'clock. And you know what is in the air? It's Valentine. So happy Valentine to all of you. Happy Valentine to all my subscribers. Happy Valentine to even the non-subscribers who just come to watch and go without subscribing. But please, I want to beg you to kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because this is where I usually come to pass out time. This is where I love to come to share what I'm learning about the cryptocurrency space. All right, so before us here, it's Cream. Cream is actually the coin I've been day trading for a very long time now. I've been day trading it because of its high volatility, and also there's another coin that is like that. That's YFI. YFI, okay. Both coins have a very high volatility, so because of that, I chose to they trade them. But yesterday, that's a couple of hours from now, couple of hours before now actually, we saw something on that happened in this very coin, that's Cream. Okay, we saw a rapid drop, and then when I went online to inquire, I discovered that there was actually a hack attempt. I don't know if it was successful, or because I didn't really dig deep into that. All right, so as you can see now, this is the chart of Cream, and then we want to analyze it to see what we think it will be doing, it might be doing. But please remember that whatever you're learning here is for educational purpose, not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I've not been one. I've never taken any course on financial advice, so please take everything you'll be learning here with a pinch of salt, and also footnote the word what if, okay, because I'm not 100% accurate. All right, so let's just quickly do a sharp analysis before I head to church. Yeah, I'm a Christian. All right. Okay, so we're trying to draw this chart here to see what's up. Okay, put it up here. Okay, and then the next trend line coming right up here. Okay. All right, you know what this thing means now. Okay, but then before now, I'm using 15 minutes time frame, and one of the wrongest thing, so to say, one of the one of the things you're not advised to do is to trade off one chart. Okay, off one time frame, you don't do that, because if you do that, you'll be running into losses. So it's not good to trade off one chart, off one time frame. Okay, so what I usually do is to do my combination, my 4 to 6 factor time frame combination. Right, so that being the case, I'm gonna switch to 1 hour to also see what is happening in the 1 hour chart. Okay, see, both of them actually share the same chart pattern. Okay, both of them actually share the same chart pattern. Now, because okay, I am actually day trading this, I would also want to check my daily time frame, my 1 day time frame, to also see what it holds in stock for us. Okay, if you if you zoom out, you can see this W chart pattern that formed here. So what it means is that all this while we've been seeing a series of bullish moves and all that, the coin has actually been seeing a series of bullish moves, but in between we'll be seeing some consolidations. It will consolidate, and what happens next is that it will zoom up, it will consolidate a little, and then start its move upwards. Okay, the same thing also happened here, a little consolidation, the bullish move continued, a little consolidation, the bullish move continued. All right, so having seen this, having seen what the daily chart is, that's the 1 day chart frame, is telling us, having seen that, we should also, okay, we should also go back to the lower time frame. Remember, I said this coin, I've not really traded it for a long time. I've majorly been day trading it, okay, scalping it, so to say, because of its high volatile nature. It makes a series of moves, okay, in a very short time. So that's why I chose to be day trading it. Okay, so let's also move to the lower time frame, which is the 15-minute time frame. That's my shortest time frame actually. Okay, so to have a thorough understanding of what is in stock for us. Right, so I'll be identifying the support and resistance zones too, support and resistance area, using my horizontal line. Okay, this is actually a resistance. This too is what? This is also this is a support. okay. And then you've seen here that if you should zoom this very well, if you should get closer to the chart, we see that this place this place has actually become what it has become. I don't really know because the thing is so clumsily okay attached. Okay, at this point now, this place has become a what? It has become a support. Okay, it has become a support. Look at it, though it hasn't actually gone below that. So from all indications, I'm thinking that a move is coming. We are gonna see a rapid move. Not really a rapid move, but I think the bulls are probably gonna have it from here. I'm using the word probable because there is no 100% surety on this. What we do is just predict and all that. Okay, so there is no hard and fast rule to this. It mustn't be this. So that's why anytime we are doing our analysis, you're always very conscious of your choice of word. So that's why I'm always actually using maybe for all the results of my analysis. So probably we could be seeing a move. Okay, if we eventually, because as you can see from this very point now, okay, as you can see now, this is actually a resistance zone. So if this places a support, if this support it's not broken, and then we get out of this triangle, the next place we should be targeting should be around here. The next resistance should be around here. Okay, that should be our next target. That's 232.05. That's where if I'm taking a long entry. But as usual, I wouldn't just take a long entry here because I know anything can always happen. It could go up, it could go down. Anything can always happen. So I just want to be very, very certain of the move I'm about to take. I want to be very, very certain of the move the coin wants to make. So because of that, I would be waiting for a close above here. I'll be waiting for a close above here. I'll be waiting for a very big close above, something around here. Okay, if eventually get to this very point, okay, I could long maybe in order to make up for the opportunities I missed. I could just maybe use a higher leverage, and if I'm using a higher leverage, I will be targeting this place. But remember, like I said, this is just a game of probability. We ain't too sure yet. And this is Sunday too. And from previous results, from previous knowledge about this, Sundays are usually bearish days. So I'm not really expecting such a big move on cream. Okay, at this point I'm not really expecting a big move on that. So I will continually be doing my scalping. I'll be continually scalping and all that. Worst case scenario, if I'm putting a long entry here, if I'm longing here, I could just decide to come here and put my stop loss just a little bit below this swing low. Okay, a little bit below that swing low, because I don't want to put it at the area of value. I want to put it a little bit below that. Okay, so that's what I intend to be doing now. But like I said earlier, I'm not 100% perma bull. I'm not 100% perma bear. Okay, because this market is a very dynamic one, and you know that to all intents and measures, everything depends on what BTC is doing. If BTC decides to nosedive, everything definitely goes down with it. But if BTC springs up, we could see a little shake, but along the line, everything balances and coin will start galloping up alongside BTC. Okay, so this is actually what I just want to share with us this morning. It's part of my Valentine present to all my subscribers, and I thank you guys so much. And then you remember, like, this is for a very long time we've been on this channel. Okay, we've been hitting it here. We've been seeing a series of up. It touched the upper channel, comes down again. So we've actually been making this series of move until this thing happened yesterday. But the beautiful thing about it is that immediately it happened, we saw a bounce. Okay, it actually bounced back. But the thing is that it has not comfortably and confidently gone back to that range again. It has not gone back to this channel again. Okay, so I'm actually thinking that it will definitely get back to this very channel. We just have to give it time to see how far it fares. So guys, thank you so much for doing this with me. Till I come your way again, I remain your man, Mr. Solution.